Hey guys, happy Monday. So, on my personal Instagram page the other day, I posted this look here, a beautiful textured glass kind of effect using three very simple, easy techniques to employ using Kokoist products. So, I'm going to show you how to do this today. The no wipe jelly top is what I use to create this kind of showstopper 3D texture effect. Let me show you what I mean.
So step one here is a coat of pinkish sheer ivory, just a nice light base color so our colors can really pop. Do a full cure there, and we're using peony petals, lavender petals, spring blue sky, and dandelion petals from the Garden Party series. Taking our round brush, we are just applying kind of abstract blobs all over the nail. It doesn't have to be thick, and it doesn't have to be perfect. We're just going to cover the entire nail with different colors without curing in between. As long as you are covering that pinkish sheer ivory, you're good. Next up, with our clean round brush, we're going to sweep downwards, give us that nice hazy kind of foggy effect to all of these nails, making them all blend together. And then we're going to give that a full cure for 30 seconds. Using our dramatic lavender magnetic gel now, we're going over the entire nail. You want to make sure it's a nice smooth application so you don't have any streakiness, and then activating it with our max magnet to get super, super shine out of this magnetic gel with that iridescence kind of in the background as well, just to give us that really dreamy, glossy effect, and a full 30-second cure. Now this is our jelly top. We're going to be using this with our round brush and just top coating the entire nail. By no means does this have to be a perfect top coat. We are just going for a nice thin layer all over the entire nail just to seal in all of that gel color. And we're going to do another 30-second cure. Now, same jelly top with our long liner brush. We're going to be using this to create that ribbing effect. So starting with our central line, going right down the middle with the jelly top, go slow so you can create nice thin lines, and then flash curing with our stick light. After you do your central line, you can move outwards. So I'm going to go on either side of that flash cured line and just start creating more lines all over the nail, and then just kind of work your way out. You want to flash cure every time you do two lines so that they don't bleed into each other, and just get to the outside of the nail. Take your time, make sure they're beautiful, and then when you are all set, you can do a full cure. And that is how you get this really cool iridescent rainbow kind of shell effect manicure.
So there you go, a beautiful, stunning, multifaceted, textural look that's super easy on the eyes and just feels amazing on the nails as well. Thanks to all those different colors that we used, as well as that iridescent dramatic magnetic gel, it almost looks like a chrome finish, which is super cool. And the way that all of that kind of ribbed texture looks and the way that it reflects light makes it look super, super stunning in all different kinds of environments. As always, if you guys have any questions whatsoever, feel free to drop them down in our cute little comment section down below. We will do our very best to get back to you as quickly as possible. Thank you for tuning in. I always appreciate it. Stay busy, stay inspired, and we'll see you right back here in 7 days for another episode of Monday Masters. Take care.